Today, in today's topic, I will tell you about the 9 benefits of eating dark chocolate. What are those 9 benefits? Let me start with my mind map. So let me share the screen. So from the screen you can see that there are 9 benefits of eating dark chocolate. How? The first benefit is it makes you happy. How? Because dark chocolate actually has dark chocolate will help to secrete a chemical called endorphin in your brain, and that endorphin is responsible to makes us happy. So that's how dark chocolate can makes you happy. The second important benefit is dark chocolate improves blood flow in the brain. How? Because dark chocolate has cocoa, and cocoa has an important component called flavonoid, and this flavonoid actually is responsible to improve the blood flow in the brain. So that's how dark chocolate actually helps the blood flow in the brain, and wherever in the body parts the blood flow increases, that part of our body actually works very well. So that's how if you eat dark chocolate, maybe you are actually helping your brain to work better. The third benefit is antioxidant in dark chocolate actually neutralize free radical damage. So what is free radical damage? Let us first understand. So most of you know maybe that brain actually uses 20% of our energy, brain actually consumes 20% of our energy, and for generating that energy, brain needs lot of oxygen. But some of the unused oxygen actually it may damage the cell, it may attack the cell. Similar way, the oxygen actually create rust in the metal. So this is called radical damage. So dark chocolate actually prevents that radical damage. The fifth benefit of eating dark chocolate is it actually reduces stress. How? Because dark chocolate has a component called magnesium. So this magnesium is very important to reduce stress, and as dark chocolate has that magnesium, so it actually helps to reduce the stress in your life. The sixth benefit is dark chocolate helps control food cravings. So this is also very important for all the people who actually are in diet or something, because food craving, whenever you are not eating balanced diet, the amount of protein, fat, carbohydrate and fiber you should eat, if you are not eating that, you will have that craving. And whenever you feel that, first learning is, whenever if you are having that craving of eating anything outside of your main eating time, that means you are not eating good. The second thing is immediate cure you can do that, take a piece of dark chocolate, at least your craving will go, and then you can think on that like what you are eating nowadays, what component you are eating more, what component of that carbohydrate, protein, fat you are and fiber. So mostly we are not taking enough fiber most of the time, and that's why all those food craving comes. So this is also very important point. The seventh point is dark chocolate protects your brain for lifetime. How? So let's learn that actually dark chocolate has again that flavonoid in cocoa. So dark chocolate has it, and this actually protects your brain for lifetime. The eighth benefit is dark chocolate supports good gut bacteria. My daughter is calling me. So anyway, let me finish that and then I'll open the door. The door is closed and now she is shouting. So she is 2 years, please pardon me. So the eighth point is dark chocolate helps to support good gut bacteria. So gut is the second most important organ in our body after brain, and gut has, do you know that gut has the second highest number of neurons after brain? So that's why gut, we sometimes say also that my gut is saying something. So gut also can think after brain. So that's why it's very important to take care of your gut. So dark chocolate actually supports all those good bacteria. It actually helps to produce some good bacteria like lactobacilli and bifidobacteria. Bifidobacteria or bifidobacteria maybe. The last point is eating dark chocolate can make you smarter. So how? So this is very interesting that when you eat dark chocolate, actually your brain capacity improves. All those points I discussed. And if your brain capacity improves, finally you will be a smarter person. So that's how these are the 9 benefits of eating dark chocolate. Have you learned something new? Please comment below if you have learned any points which you didn't learn earlier. And please keep watching my live, my YouTube videos, and listen to my podcast, because I try to produce all those valuable input, and also I try to read some good stories which are helpful to learn something new for you and your kids. For today, bye bye.